Alright, let's try remaking this one. So, take 2. Those things that go in the sky, like birds, but they're big and metal. And they are having very, 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 not smelly, but particularly perniciously toxic farts. Sort of looking like white clouds which linger in the sky. And their toxic farts from these big metal birds is getting into everything. It's getting into the soil, it's getting into everything, and it's destroying the flipping planet. Right? So let's flipping stop it. Let's stop it. Let's stop the flipping farts from the planes in the sky.